Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So you might be aware that Envato is having a March sale in this period, and I want to share with you the full list of items that are included in this sale. So I just grabbed this list and I want to share it fully with you. So you will see that there will be over 2,440 items included in this list, and they are the full list of Envato items which are discounted in this period. So you will find there ThemeForest themes, Code Canyon plugins, and also Video Hive videos. So the discounts are between 20 and 50% if I'm correct, or 25 or 50%, and they will be categorized by author, category, name, and marketplace, and also the link will be here. So this is found, this list is found in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it there. So if you search for CodeRevolution, for example, you will find 22 items which are included in the discounting period, including Newsomatic, Echo RSS, and Crawlomatic, and many more. So go ahead guys, check the link from this video's description. I hope it will be useful. Also Newsomatic and many other plugins are discounted. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.